Urinary catheters are flexible tubes used to empty the bladder. They are available in a variety of styles and sizes. How to insert a catheter. The steps for inserting a catheter are the same for men and women. However, for women, it is recommended to use a mirror at first in order to find the urethral opening easily. Supplies you will need: sterile gloves, lubricant, catheter, drainage bag. Wash your hands and put on the sterile gloves before inserting the catheter. Rinse the area with water. For self-cathing, sit on the toilet. Women can also stand or squat. Lubricate the tip of the catheter. Use gentle yet firm pressure to insert the tip. Hold the other end of the catheter over the toilet or drainage bag. Keep pushing the catheter until it reaches the bladder and urine begins to flow. Hold the catheter in place until the bladder is empty. Slide the catheter out slowly and smoothly. Tips for a smooth catheter insertion. Use catheters with smooth eyelets to reduce friction. Choose lubricated or coated catheters. If you must use an uncoated catheter, make sure to always use lubrication. Select angled or curved-tipped catheters. Opt for supplies that are latex-free.